What side, Althea? Just get in.
You're going back. You're driving.
You sit side by side, back to back, right? I can't do that backwards. How am I going to film it? Can I go by myself? And what are these for? To hold on to?
Yep. I could probably get it to go so you guys are sitting like right here.
What? Back this way?
Yeah, so you're both facing each other before we towards each other.
Yeah, can you do that? Sure.
Like that.
I just don't want it to flip, man.
Just like that.
And hold on to these right here, the better ones to hold on to?
Yep.
Alright. Here, there's a hand right there.
Dad, what did I get myself into? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Awesome! Woo! Me and LB are on the water slide! Woo! It's alright! Yeah! Woo! Ah, yeah! Down we go! Down we on the third! Yeah! Yeah! Althea! Oh, that was awesome, that one! Woo! Woo-hoo! It's alright. We're chill. It's alright. We're at the end. We're at the end. Woohoo! Yeah! Yay! Whoa, big boy! There you go, Althea. Thanks, man. Oh, hey, how do you get out? No, I'm on it. Jeez. Hey, let me go this way. Thank you, man. There you go. How's that for you? It has drain panels. That's cool.